Good morning, guys. It is 8:30, not even 8:30, and I've already had such a rough day. So actually we have been training Phoebe, like potty training her indoors, and which has been great. Training her outdoors was not working. The vet suggested we try indoor training, and it's been awesome, okay? She's been doing so well. Like as soon as we switched her over, like she instantly clicked, like she instantly did so well. Obviously, she's a puppy. There's still accidents, that's life, right? I personally feel like, well, she's been really killing it with peeing on her spot. The pooping, meh, not so much, but to me, I feel like, man, the peeing's way more important because it's liquid and it gets in more places. I will explain why I'm kind of in a rush, but I'm gonna be walking around doing stuff while I'm filming this, so bear with me. And I'm actually gonna take off my lipstick because I want to make a smoothie and drink some water, and I don't really wanna get my lipstick all over, so. Last night, about 1 or 2 o'clock, I have to pee, I get up to pee. I put Phoebe down, she pees, I go pee, life is good. So about 4 o'clock, Phoebe's on me, like jumping on me, like trying to get off the bed, okay? And she can't get off the bed. I have ordered stairs for her, she doesn't have them yet, but like, if you don't watch my videos and you don't know Phoebe, like she's like not even 4 pounds right now, I don't think. Like she's a puppy, she's very tiny, and my bed's like 30 inches high. I'd recently just measured it for the stairs. So that she can't just like jump off the bed. She has to poop because she literally just went pee. So I put her down. Of course she doesn't go to her pad, and I can literally hear her. I'm sorry, this is disgusting. And so I'm like walking around the room like in the dark, like looking for it, can't find it. I tell my boyfriend like, hey, I'm gonna need to turn on the light because I know she pooped somewhere in here and I can't find it. And let me just like, again, like paint a picture for you. This is my rug, okay? It is shaggy. Like this is the spot, it's covered, don't worry. She had such bad diarrhea, and right now it's just in the crevices of my rug. So she pooped over here, walked underneath the bed, and finished on the other side of the bed. So there's 2 spots. Just I don't have the proper tools to clean carpets, so I'm just kind of doing the best I can with like some tissue. Like it was disgusting. Okay, so then this morning that was at 4, our alarm goes off at 6. I didn't really fall back asleep till like 5:45 because after like getting up, turning the lights on, cleaning and stuff like that, like I was way too awake. So my alarm went off at 6. I kept hitting snooze, 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 snooze till like 6:40. And I'm like, slowly, I'm like, I'm so tired, I'm so tired. I sit up, I'm in bed, like sitting up, like slowly getting up, and then she peed in the bed. So, happy good morning. That's my life. So I turned to Pinterest, of course. Come on, Phoebes. And Pinterest gave me a little recipe for a carpet cleaner, but I have none of the ingredients. So I need to go get them from my mom. You're a stinker. You stink, and you stink up the bedroom. Do you know that? I know. I mean, no, I'm not mad at her. Because 1, she's a puppy, she's learning, she's doing really good, and she obviously had a stomach ache. So on top of that, my actual just house is a disaster because I had a gathering on Saturday with my coworkers. My boss came over, stuff like that. One of my coworkers kind of lives far from me, so she stayed over and we spent the whole day together yesterday, which we vlogged, so you have seen that. So I did not get a chance to clean my house. There's literally still food out. Like behind you, there's dips and chips and waters and glasses everywhere. Like I just literally did not have time to because I was like entertaining people. Today was gonna be the day that I cleaned that anyways. And so now I have to wash my sheets and clean my carpet and go to work. And there's other stuff that I need to do too. So today sucks, Phoebe. It sucks. I gotta get you ready to go, okay? Come on, Dick. She hates it. Here's my kitchen. It's just bad. What are you doing? Really not naturally a clean person. You ready to go? Come on. Like things to be this messy. Things are dirty. I'm cool with messy, not dirty. There is a difference. I don't like this right now. Phoebe, come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. Come on. 10 out of 10, she runs away from me. Come here. Don't run, don't run, don't run, don't run. Don't run, come here, come here. Don't run, don't run. Yay, oh yay, what a good girl. I feel like that's the problem when I vlog. I already have an electronic in my hand. I have no idea where I left my phone. Okay. Probably upstairs still. Lord have mercy on my soul. Oh, look at all these kids going to the bus stop. Oh, hey, remember when you didn't go trick-or-treating and I bought you all candy? You remember that, guys? Yeah, I still have some. I still have some. Ah! I fell. Ah, crap. I'm a mess. Oh my God.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated.
That makes me mad when I call my mom and she doesn't answer. I feel personally offended. All moms should have like a special alert system when their child is calling them, like, answer the phone. I need you.
Hello.
Mom.
Hi.
I can't do anything right. Poop stains are gone. And poor little Phoebes is over here like, did you have a hard day? Did you have a rough day? Poor little Phoebe. Oh my goodness. You sleepy? You got a little sleepy face. Are you ready to go to work? I hope your tummy feels better. You ready to go? You wanna go? Well, happy freaking Monday, people. It's a good start to a good day. No, I'm obviously joking. No, today has sucked, but I'm not bummed about it. I'm not gonna be mad about it. I'm like joking that I was upset. I'm not. Shit happens. I'm just gonna put my focus for the next couple hours into getting as much done in as short amount of time as physically possible. I hope when I see you again, I can say that I got done everything that I wanted to get done and we can be at home and we can be cleaning the house. Luckily, there's a lot of leftovers, so I don't have to make dinner. So, there's a beautiful lake. This is, I love taking this way to work. I'm always going down this road to work just so I can see the lake. It's a little bit, honestly, slower of a ride, but I mean, look at this. Like, this is, who doesn't want to drive to work like this? Am I right, people? I mean, come on. This is a happy Monday. The lake's not frozen yet. That's all I can really ask for. We made it home, and I am so tired. But now we're going to tackle this disaster of a house, so wish me luck. I'm sad that I have to clean. Okay, pray for me. Okay, let's do this.
You turned toward me look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent for the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent for the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again.
Yeah, my socks don't match. Oh, everything's clean. Oh. I'm out. I'm done. A couple of things, food for thought for you people. One, if your day is going crappy, either literally, like mine, or figuratively, just make the best of it. I am not in a bad mood. I am not grumpy. I was kind of joking around about it earlier, but I'm really not. I am tired, but I feel so happy that everything is clean. Except for I still have to put new sheets on my bed, but that's no big deal. So yeah, if you have had a crappy day and you're PMSing and you're tired and you're lazy, the weather's crappy and it's gloomy and it's affecting your mood and your dog is giving you the hardest time ever and your house is a disaster and you don't want to clean it, moral of the story is clean it anyways. Do what you gotta do, knock it out, and then treat yourself. So I'm gonna spend the rest of the night relaxing and treating myself because what time is it? It's still pretty early because I told myself I'm not sitting down until my house is clean. It's 5:50 and I still have, oh, my phone was in my pocket. I didn't have to get up. It's 5:50. So yeah, that is going to be it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully, like, either you could laugh at my mess of a life or either it can motivate you to be happy. I feel like I've been dealing with a lot of negative people lately. And more than anything, I think it's really motivated me to not give a crap. I'm sorry, I can't stop with these poop puns. Not give a crap when things get crappy. But seriously, don't take crap so seriously, again, literally or figuratively. Actually, what I cleaned the carpet with was awesome. It worked fantastic. I will leave the article down below. It's specifically for poop. So if you are a dog mom or a real mom and, you know, shit happens, then I will leave that link down for you in the description box because really it helped me. So yeah, like I said, how many times can I say that's all for today? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to see more of me and my super entertaining, exciting life. And I'll see you guys in my next one.